something that you didn't know, why speak on it as if now you can believe it and now you can soften your stance? Maybe it's other things you don't know. So why not invite me for the conversation? That's what I don't understand. It seems to still be everybody still with the go along, get along game, because everybody know in this game that we in, it's all politics, and there's certain people you don't want to upset, certain interviews you don't want to miss out on. So most people don't push the line. They become friends with these people, and that's all they do. Stephen A., you built a career off of me. A 17, 18-year-old kid, you think you walk around like you some big tough man. You was going to college campuses speaking about a teenage kid, and your only talent is knowing a bunch of big words and talking disrespectful to children, to teenagers. I was so happy when Kevin Durant mama, shout out to Kevin Durant mama, when she wanted to, it looked like she wanted to whoop your ass like my mama would have whooped your motherfucking ass. I had to tell my mom, you ain't going up there, because my mama wasn't going to be as nice as her. But Kevin Durant mama looked like she wanted to slap your ass with her purse. You talking about these people mama's son, boy. Fuck wrong with y'all. Y'all get on here and niggas work their whole life for some niggas with a bad tape line and a bad attitude and a bunch of talking can sit there and label people something. You punk motherfucker. You used to play basketball, Stephen A? My motherfucking career was better than yours. You good at talking. The only thing you could beat me at is a spelling bee. Learning big words. And you can't beat me at that, punk. I'm trying to go at all you motherfuckers now. You motherfuckers want to sit and talk. It's time out for that shit now. I done put a spotlight on you bitches. The only thing you motherfuckers do every day is talk shit about black men. We gonna stop that shit. We gonna stop that. You fucking with these people's livelihood. You fucking with people's children and their ability to move around this world. Well, not mine, because I move, I don't give a fuck. I'm blind. I walk around with blinders on. I don't give a fuck. But at the end of the day, I'm a man with children. And you niggas play too much. 20 years later, you motherfuckers talking about, oh, y'all thought I was a punk because I didn't say something? Are you dumb? Who the fuck wanted to hear me say something about Michael Jordan? So if I'm a 17, 18-year-old kid say Michael Jordan did X, Y, and Z, before I finished the sentence, you motherfuckers would have said I was making excuses. So cut the bullshit. Like, come on with it. Cut the bullshit. You know, I've never been that type of dude to be that stupid. When Oak tried to fight me, I understood. I don't give a damn who was going to win or who was going to lose. Nigga, we not finna fight. I'm on a 1-year contract in Charlotte, and my baby's got to eat. Got me fucked up. Let you emotional male ass niggas jump out the window because of something somebody say and something somebody do. I wouldn't give a fuck what you say or what you think you gonna do, but I know what you ain't gonna do, and that's fucker with me. The fuck you talking about? You niggas just been doing a lot of talking, and that's okay with me. But I told you niggas in a couple other texts that as long as nobody don't do this, I don't give a fuck about no talking. And so, but now it's getting to the point where you guys are destroying people's brain. You don't know what I got going on in life. And this effeminate nigga talking like, oh, we not going to put you on. You not going to come up off of us. Show me the text where I asked you to put me on. See, when you say ignorant shit like that, show me any text where I asked you or anyone to put me on. And then you would have a point. But nigga, you ignorant. You are ignorant to my situation, talking about it as if you know what the fuck you talking about. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what you're talking about, boy. It's all good, though. You niggas in the brotherhood club and you niggas like to smile and kick her with other niggas. See, I like to be by myself. I got too much mama cooking. I don't want to be around no niggas. Might spill it on you niggas. I don't know. I don't want to be around you niggas like that. You niggas try to steal my secrets to mama's cooking, nigga. And this my recipe, motherfucker. You niggas like to do all that talking, and you niggas actually believe people that just sitting out there kickling and running their goddamn mouth. But niggas got tight when I started telling the truth. I be around MJ. I be around Charles Oakley every day. You don't got no fat motherfucker. Only stupid people listen to what you say. I never said you don't be around Oakley right now. It's 2021, but 2009 and 2010. That nigga was trying to whip all our ass, so why you fronting? I don't know why you fronting, nigga. What's that big tall ass white boy that got traded there? Oak finna whoop this nigga ass first day. And I hope Oak don't get offended by me saying he was gonna whoop somebody's ass, because everybody know Oak an ass whooper. So I doubt he gonna get offended by it. But you know, shit, he probably somewhere back laughing right motherfucking now. Listening at you lie. Trying to save face. Rapper. Oh, activist. Oh, ball player. Oh, you don't know either. Stupid motherfucker. You niggas crazy. Y'all say anything out y'all goddamn mouth. Go drive your truck. What the fuck I'm supposed to drive? I'm 7 foot, you stupid motherfucker. You want me in a Prius? You niggas talk stupid. I told you. Y'all niggas just exposing yourself. You got no talent. The only talent you got is disrespecting black men. Stephen A. made a career out of it. You're now making a career out of it, lying and acting like you got black people back, but out of your mouth, the only thing you do is tear down. Okay, you could pretend like all you was doing was, oh, I was just, you mad because you the #1 draft pick. How is the guy who's not saying anything mad? How would you know I'm mad? Nigga, if I'm mad, it's because niggas like you don't understand the position that you in, and you not smart enough to finesse it into something bigger than what you are. Stupid motherfucker. That's why they don't give people like me platform. I gotta go take it, which I will. That's why you tuning in, nigga. See, I don't need to be given a goddamn thing. My whole life I wasn't given a motherfucking thing. Didn't you hear my story, nigga? I had no shoes on. In life you ain't giving shit. So I'm okay with it, nigga. I get it out the mud. I'm okay with it. You niggas want to group up, and I don't got no group of friends, because all you niggas doing is sleeping and swapping diseases with each other. I know you niggas very well. Fuck you niggas talking about Matt Barnes. All you niggas do, now y'all trying to act like, oh, he's just a mad, angry basketball player. You can act like that, but anybody with a half a brain that hear me and hear you, they can see holes in your story, buddy. You won't challenge nothing that I say. You want to sit here talking about, I don't remember. Well, go watch the film of you tapping and stopping Jenny Buss and saying he don't need to be mentioned. And then let's see if you remember Becky with the good hair. Fuck you talking about, nigga. I'm not, it's no whole bar now. I ain't playing with you niggas no more. Y'all always want to play games and then throw rocks and then hide your hand. I bet you been having a lot of conversations about me too. You don't really know how to come at me, do you? Because what you thought, the conversation you hearing now, you realizing what you thought was full of shit, ain't it? Stop thinking, boy. No. And that's the problem. You niggas don't know nothing. You niggas got a big ass platform, and all you niggas do is get up there and disrespect black men. Shannon Sharp, I appreciate what seemed to be having my back. But Shannon Sharp, I have to say this. You talked about Kevin Durant in a way that I don't think you would have talked about a white boy like that, or a white man. I don't think you would have said it like that. So I think we all have to now that I got a platform, I'm going to use it for the right way. It's time to put respect on niggas' name. And you niggas that I'm disrespecting, that's because you the one that's a gatekeeper of disrespect. Stephen A., you bald forehead motherfucker. I don't know why you got people thinking you tough, saying all kind of shit like, oh, they can come see me. Well, let's go to Seattle and you sign a, well, Seattle, you ain't got to sign no waiver. Meet me in Seattle where you can have mutual combat and talk like that. I'll slap a tooth. It'll look like you got a toupee on the front of your head, or how hard I'll slap the back of your head, motherfucker. The hell you talking about? Y'all got people fooled with this fuck shit. And Skip Bayless, thanks for the pass. I don't even know what the fuck that meant. But thanks for the pass, I guess. I don't know what grown man need no goddamn pass, but thank you. I ain't get no pass from your co-host when you was letting this punk motherfucker talk about a teenager and going around college campuses. You gave him a pass. Bonafide scrub, he can't do nothing, this and that. I had to endure you talking about my mama's son like that, bitch. The fuck is you talking about? The only thing you known for being a black man that disrespect and talk about other black men. I should find who your old lady is, you punk old bitch, and show her my mama's cooking. I sprinkle a little good seasoning on her. I don't talk too much, nigga. The fuck you talking about?